ChipFill. Here you will see how easily ChipFill is applied. ChipFill is our hot-applied surface defect repair system. It is specially designed to repair smaller potholes and cracks, but it can also be used to fill in the joints between cobblestones to prevent erosion and weed growth. As the name indicates, ChipFill consists of small chips which are easy to handle and apply. All you need is a broom and heat torch, and you are ready to go. Here is how it is done. Start by sweeping the surface to remove any dirt and loose particles. Afterwards, use a heat torch to remove all moisture from the area and make sure that it is totally dry before installation. Now, fill in a layer of ChipFill of maximum 15 mm. Heat the material to a temperature above 200 degrees Celsius by using the heat torch. Make sure to keep a 20 to 40 centimeters distance to the surface. With a slow, sweeping motion, ensure not to scorch and damage the material. The heated ChipFill will start to be fluent and follow the contexture of the repair. If the pothole is deeper than 15 mm, add a new layer of ChipFill, but make sure that all materials are liquid before adding a new layer. When the void is filled and you have made sure that all material is melted, finish off the repair by post-sprinkling glass grains on the repaired area. Then, once ChipFill has cooled, check with a gloved hand to ensure that the surface is firm before reopening the area to traffic. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Gevico Markings makes preventive road maintenance easy, providing the complete solution for almost any type of road and surface damage. Contact your supplier or Gevico Markings to learn more. Together, we can keep the roads safe.